My indoor ficus tree is dying. Ficus trees are low-maintenance indoor plants, but this does not mean they are impervious to the threats faced by outdoor ficus plants. Disease and improper care both contribute to the slow death of an indoor ficus tree. Improper watering. Too much or too little watering can put undue stress on a ficus tree. Dry ficus trees may lose leaves while poorly drained ficus trees might rot and begin to wilt. Disease. Fungus and bacteria attack ficus trees and cause colored spots to appear on their leaves. Southern blight, circus burr leaf spot and xanthomonas leaf spot are some of the common diseases the University of Florida names as culprits. Insects. Ficus trees attract pests that live underneath ficus leaves. Bugs such as scale insects leave a white, waxy residue underneath ficus leaves, which cause the leaves to die and fall off. Spider mites and mealybugs also pose a threat. Worms and parasites. Worms may attack and eat away at the root system of the ficus tree. This activity may cause the ficus tree to quit growing or wilt. The trunk might also start to swell in the area infested with worms.